Hello everyone. Yes, I know I did voting. There was election in India, and yeah, coming back to a main topic that I'm going to paint this beautiful sketch. This particular sketch I had done a lot of many months before, I think 3-4 months before, and I just kept it at a sketch, and now I'm trying to relate to this sketch. What exactly I was feeling when I exactly sketched it. So I'm going to paint it. First of all, I just need to get rid of all the excess lines that I had done while sketching. So I had done this particular sketch in slow. Now I don't even know with what colors exactly I'm going to paint this particular painting. I'm just thinking of some color scheme. Yes, I'm trying to think. And for this particular sketch, actually I had not used any particular reference. So that is the particular reason I don't know how to paint it. Maybe I will not paint it realistically and I will keep it whole thing abstract, flowy. So let's see. I want to use lots of blues in this particular color palette because right now it is the start of rainy season in India and I'm feeling very calm at this season. So I want to use here lots of blues. Just adding a lots of water to the colors that I would really love to use to just activate the colors. And yeah, there is so many birds chirping in the background. Oh, I love these purple violets also, very dynamic. I'm just little bit making the paper wet also. Don't know, I just trying to have fun and let the paint flow. That is my today's motive. I love how this particular blue is standing out, and since a lot of days I haven't used this particular blue. Well, this particular blue is French ultramarine, and there is a very much granulation within this color itself that I am loving to see. Can you see the granulation? Just wow. This is the reason I'm going to go a lot bold, and I'm going to put a lot of this French ultramarine onto the paper and going to let it flow. Flow, flow, blue ultramarine, French ultramarine. You can see I have introduced a second pigment, color pigment over here, and that is called as yellow tuff. I'm just sort of experimenting how the brown will look together with this blue. Generally, brown and blue is a beautiful color combination. I want to explore this a little bit even more, how that will look together. So what I'm going to do is going to take this particular yellow tuff even more, and I'm going to put some small dots into the blue to see how the colors shall react together. Just going to let it flow and interact all the colors together. Going to put some splashes. If you can see this whole shape over here and the whole flow is looking like a sea wave. It is type of a wave pattern, and this is something I'm really enjoying, and that I could see within this particular frame, and that is particular thing that I want to explore more. So this is thing about abstract painting that you're going with some flow, and you do realize there is some potential of shapes and flow in terms of watercolor, because watercolor do flow in itself also. So you can just explore few patterns that you can see, and that is what exactly I'm going to do. I am in love with this particular chaos. You can see these beautiful pigments. I have added a little bit purple violet shade also, galaxy violet from Sminka. Okay. I am in love with this particular color palette right now, and I'm also loving how abstract it's looking. I just want to add even more darker values in it because I know that this is going to be lighter once it dries out. So that is why I just want to add a little more darker values. But these all colors look how beautiful these are looking together, and this particular flow, how this whole color is coming down and mixing up with other colors. This color palette is just so beautiful. how beautiful these colors look together. These are mainly purple, violet colors and rose mist, which was already in this palette, so I did use it to distinguish this girl a little bit. Then it has almost same color scheme but a little bit more pinkish, so the girl looks a little bit more distinguished. And this whole painting right now sort of looks like this, and I am in love with this. I do not want to interfere even more in this painting because I do believe that this painting has already reached to its beautiful, amazing, and whatever the feeling that this particular painting is giving me right now, I'm really enjoying it.